I said fight back!
Stop! What's wrong with you?
Why didn't you fight back?
Oh, here we go. Because I didn't fight back, that means I secretly care about you? I'm just a misunderstood little chicken fetus in an egg that needs to be cracked open. Well, I am not. I do not care about you or anyone else in this circus in the slightest. End of story. To me, you're all toys, playthings I must annoy. Once I can see you frown, I know that I can take a bow. Just a Jack's toy, suffer just for my joy. I'd say I'm sorry, but there's
nothing more to me.